Look at that slide. Whoa, whoa.
Next time, no hands.
All right, guys, today we're out here with
Anthony.
And Anthony's gonna teach us how to
Slappy nose slide.
Slappy nose slide. This is taking it back old school for all the legends out there. So we got this little, as he put it, the perfect Slappy curb.
It is.
Why do you say that?
I haven't skated in 25 years, so that 5 inches right there is perfect for me.
Good. I'm just gonna supervise this. So go ahead, explain to them what a Slappy nose slide is. Why is it called a Slappy?
So basically, if you're doing a nose slide, tail slide, or grind, you actually ollie into it. But the Slappy, you just get into your configuration and you just go straight into the curb and do what you got to do.
Okay, so that means no slide with no ollie.
Yeah, not as sexy as the ollie into it, but that'll be for later videos because this is still just day one.
And some people, you know, when you're over 40, you actually begin to believe it's sexier to do the Slappy.
True, true. And these curbs are perfect.
Yeah, so you want to just hit it?
Yeah, I got real confidence in this one. If we're going like riding a bike, kickflip, ollie, this one, we're good to go. First try, first try.
I'm gonna follow him. I'm gonna follow him up. Wow! Wow! Look at that slide.
Yeah.
Okay, so you gotta teach them how to do this. I'm following your lead.
Oh my God.
You see how fast he went into that?
Yeah, that one's riding a bike. That one's riding a bike right there. When I was 17, 15, 16, 17, I did like 10,000 Slappy nose slides. So that one's coming back hard.
Okay, so tell them what to do. How do you start? How do you think about it? What's the angle?
Yeah, so basically, you know, you want to get in. You don't want to wait too long here. I'd probably right when you're about to get in, and then you just get into it and you do your configuration, you know, Slappy nose slide. You get real good. You can do Slappy nose grinds or whatever, but.
So do you think they should start like maybe going like this or something?
Probably.
Just
probably.
like right up, and we call this in skateboarding a nosebleed. Nosebleed.
Yeah.
Just roll up, and you're gonna transfer your weight from your back. All your weight's going to that front foot, and you're standing solely on your front foot at that point.
Yeah, yeah, let me try one.
Boom. Boom.
That was cool.
See?
That was cool.
And I suppose you can also get used to the slide by, you know.
Yeah.
This is, the reason he said this is good is because if you need to, you're a beginner, you can grab the bar right here, like that.
Yeah.
If you need it. You know, if you want to come to San Francisco, learn how to skate with me, just come on down here. We're here on Saturday. Come have fun, learn to skate, I'll teach you tricks. So then from there, it's a little bit of speed, a little bit of angle, and you're just gonna jam your nose in, like that. But you need some forward momentum going that way, and you need your weight up on that front. That'll help you a lot.
Yeah.
Front side Slappy nose slide too.
That was a bad attempt. We'll do it again.
And at first, you're gonna wanna jam your nose in there and just do a little slide. Like just a tiny little slide, just to get used to that motion of sliding before you go like full ham into it. Oh wow, guy, big guy. Yeah, so I noticed also you're coming out fakie.
Yeah.
Dropping that way.
Yeah.
Can you do it also to regular?
I'll try.
What do you think they should learn first?
Ooh,
Could be tricky.
I think the Tefakie's easier.
Yeah, like that way.
Yeah, I think the Tefakie's easier, yeah.
So your momentum on this, because you are turning a 180, you are gonna turn your upper body, head, and shoulders, and then you're boom into the ledge. And then if you wanna just drop off, it's quite simple, just drop off. But you're gonna need to have some like ability to ride switch or fakie going the other way to roll away.
Yeah, this is probably the best learning how to do a Slappy curb in the United States with this pole here.
Literally.
Just saying.
So if you want to come to San Francisco, this is the Ferry Building. I'm here every Saturday. I'm here to teach you how to ride a skateboard. Let's go. Also, if you're anywhere in the world, just join Braille Skateboarding Academy. I got you there too. First try. Yeah.
A little bit high, a little bit high.
Wow. Okay, I guess I should cover a little bit of what can go wrong. If your weight is too far forward, you're not going to slide. So you do need to be a little bit in the back seat on it. And your front foot, all of your weight on that front foot, but front foot here in terms of like back or front, but then you're gonna need to be leaning back just a bit. You could actually put your nose on there and just do a couple little nudges like that so you can kind of feel how it's gonna go. This thing has a lot of wax on it. So if you do not have a ledge that's already waxed up, you're gonna need to get like paraffin wax from Safeway or some skate wax at the skate shop and just wax it up a lot. And then you're gonna go at it with quite some speed, lean back, and you slide that way. Here, I'll show you some more examples. Yeah. Woo. Yeah. Woo. Okay, so I'm gonna show you both. I'm gonna show you both sliding and then going out fakie, and then sliding and going out regular, and talk about the difference in the shoulders and how we're turning. So first we're gonna go fakie. Roll out fakie. So now I'm gonna do that like a 180. So I'm gonna approach the ledge, turn my upper body shoulders, jam my nose in there, slide, and then keep that rotation going, and then roll out fakie that way. The exact opposite on the regular, I'm gonna turn this way, and then I'm gonna have to turn back, which I find a little bit easier because you're actually going back to regular instead of rolling out switch. But either way, super easy, super fun, and this is a great, great, great beginner trick.
I'll go after you.
Yeah, doubles, doubles. Yeah. So what happened to Anthony there is he was leaning too far back.
Yeah.
So you could be too far forward, in which case you would stick and then you'd fall forward. Or you could be too far back, leaning back in the back seat, and your board would shoot out, right? So just like all skateboarding, all balance, you have to find that good medium spot. Yeah.
It's funny, it's the little simple things that make it work.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah.
I was feeling that one.
Oh, there's another one. I gotta
Coming
cover
in
that.
hot.
Okay, you gotta watch out for that, because sometimes you can have your front foot here, and if you go to hit the slappy, you could miss it and your wheels could go to the top, in which case you're gonna do what happened there. You kind of went to board slide. So you gotta keep it low and keep the board locked into that ledge, just like that. Okay, let's see if Anthony gets a good one. Yeah! First try.
Just max speed and just push through. It's gotta land it though.
Yeah! Whoa, whoa. Bro, don't go too hard. Don't go too far. Yeah.
I can do that. That's easy. I should be able to do that. Ah, it's like the commitment on that back leg. It's kind of tough.
Yeah, there you go.
There we go. Fitty, fitty. Fitty,
First
fitty.
try.
Fitty, fitty.
And yes, you're gonna get some slide marks on your board from doing the slappy nose slides. There you go, gonna look like that on the nose slide. And then you can you can be like, dang, Mom, look at my nose slide marks. Tough crowd out here. Okay, Anthony, let's do doubles. Let's doubles. I got your back. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah. Okay, let's get a good doubles.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll go a little slower.
Yeah.
I'm trying to cover the whole thing.
Yeah.
Next time, no hands.
Okay, so this is a super, super fun trick. This is a great trick for beginners. This is probably your very first slide trick. It's very easy because you don't need to pop. You can just slide right into it and you get that feeling of sliding. And it's a really, really great one. So you guys have an absolute blast learning how to do it. If you want to learn how to ride a skateboard, I will personally teach you no matter where you live. Anywhere in the world, you can join the Braille Skateboarding Academy. It's an incredible international community, and we're teaching people from all over the world. It has the perfect gradient setup. All the videos are on there, and we'll see you in there learning how to ride a skateboard. Check it out, link in the description. Keep skating and keep shredding, guys. You're the best.